Listen closely to a deal that was cut for a convicted arsonist, all because of a judge's error. News 4's Luke Moretti was in court today when the sentence was slashed in half.
Don, a 2008 firebombing in Buffalo sent a man behind bars for 20 years. That is, until today. The sentence has been reduced by a decade, and that's not sitting well with Erie County's top prosecutor. 46-year-old George Piccioni caught a big break during his resentencing before State Supreme Court Justice John Mahalski.
He basically cut his sentence in half, so certainly it is a huge reduction. It's another decade he doesn't have to serve in state prison.
Piccioni was originally sentenced to 20 years in state prison for the 2008 firebombing and burning of Mr. Lovejoy's Bar and Lounge in Buffalo. But his conviction was reversed after the appellate division found that a judicial error happened during the trial.
It wasn't overturned because of any kind of lack of evidence. It was not overturned because we didn't prove our case. It was not overturned because of any kind of prosecutorial error.
Instead of a retrial, Piccioni pleaded guilty to the original charges. But this time he received 10 years instead of the original 20 years.
To go from 20 years to 10 years, given this defendant's criminal conduct, given this defendant's criminal history, I don't want to engage in judge bashing here, Luke, but we're very disappointed.
Victims of the firebombing even wrote Judge Mahalski a letter asking him to reconsider. What will keep us safe from him? Where is the justice in this? We lost everything because of this evil, evil person.
I only know him, the several months that I've been representing him. I don't see that. He's got a little bit of a history, but an evil person. And as I told the judge, I believe that 20-year sentences should be reserved for killers.
Mr. Piccioni is a dangerous criminal who now, instead of being out in 20 years, will be out in less than 10.
Well, having served 3 years already, Piccioni could be out of prison in 7 years. A call placed to Judge Mahalski was not immediately returned. Luke Moretti, News 4.